2, 3.
Hi,
Breddies!
Hi, Breddies.
What's up, Breddies? We got Jane! Check out those PJs. What? Put the hood on. Show them the hood, dude. Those things are sick. All right, Breddies. We are doing, what are we drawing?
A unicorn donut.
A unicorn donut. Because that's what you guys are emailing us and that's what you want. So that's what you're going to get. So grab a marker, crayon, pencil, whatever you want, and something to draw on. We use our cool clipboards that we painted with paper.
Some paper.
Yeah, throw the paper on that and let's get ready to go. Jane, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Breddies, follow along at home. We're so excited you're here.
Let's go.
Let's get started. Oh, there you go. All right, you ready? All right, Breddies, let's get started. So our unicorn donut's gonna be in the lower half of the paper because we need our, what is that on the top of a unicorn?
A horn.
A horn. So we're gonna start off with a little unicorn hair. Let's just do a simple oval with like a point. Can you do that, Jane? Right in the top side of your paper.
Let's
What? Yeah, it kind of does. All right, well, let's see what you got. An oval, nice point. Oh yeah, so good, Jane.
It looks like a whale.
Crushed it. Okay, now, Breddies, let's do, like, so for some different unicorn colors, let's do 2 squiggly lines like that.
Squiggly.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Perfect. Now, I want to do a horn in the center. So I'm going to go off of my 2 lines, and I'm going to do a triangle. Up and down. Can you do that, Jane?
I'm gonna make mine cute.
Okay, do it. Let's see what you got. Up and down. Good job. Perfect. Okay. Now we gotta give our unicorn ears. Should we do pointy ears or round ears?
Round.
Yeah, let's do some round ears. Make them cute. So we're gonna start.
I'm gonna like pointy circle.
Okay, I'm gonna do round. So, Breddies, let's start right a little off of the side, and let's just go up and down, like a little upside down U. Nice.
Mine is really
I would kind of take it down a little because remember it's gonna be a circle.
Oh.
Yeah. There, I like it. All right. Now, same thing. We got a little space there. We're gonna give a little space about right here.
Yep.
And we're gonna match that one. We're gonna go upside down U and go down a little. Boom! That looks really good. Go, Jane.
Aren't they connected?
They will be.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Breddies. So circles are kind of hard. So it's okay if our circle's not perfect. We're gonna give it our best shot. We're basically gonna go a big circle. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna reach the other side. Sometimes it helps me to do like half of the circle. Yeah, Jane wants to say something. What are you gonna say?
You could even use a ball to make your circle really round.
We used to do that. I remember that. Yeah, so we would put a bowl down, Breddies, and we would do like a circle around our bowl. So I'm gonna give it my best shot, or you can do points.
Oh yeah.
If you have a pencil, but hey, we're freestyling, we're having fun, let's go for it. This is what I do, Breddies. I'm gonna just do a circle on the inside to help me know what my big circle is. Yeah.
Do that too.
So let's do this. Let's go down about what the thickness of our donut's gonna be. And let's just do it inside. Just do your best and just do a circle. It's okay if it's...
a big donut.
Yeah, it's okay if it's not perfect. Because we're having fun.
This is a big donut.
I really like, Jane did a great job. Breddies, of course, if you want to do it, fix it up. You can put another piece of paper on top, get it perfect, but we're just having fun, so we're gonna keep going. So now, Breddies, I know what my inside circle is, so I want to make my outside circle match that. So a way I like to do that is I just kind of envision my thickness. So about here,
Do a dot, dot.
or you can do dots like, okay, let's go like
I wanna
dot
do a
right there.
dot.
Let's do a dot there. Yeah, do I do that?
Big donut.
And now we're gonna connect this. So we're gonna go up and over. Ready?
In a
One.
circle.
Yep. Whee! Ta-da!
Oh. Like
So
it's a
good.
Big donut.
Yeah, bigger, better. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So
Oh yeah, the bigger.
we'll kind of go from here. We'll go about the same thickness. Let's put a dot about right there. Breddies, what do you think? Good?
I'm gonna do mine a little higher.
And then we're just gonna connect it like we did the other side. Up, whee, curve it in. Boom.
Oh, mine is a big donut.
Oh, bigger the better. All right, Breddies, so now
Big donut.
we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go on the bottom of our donut. Oh, a little cough. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, I wanna do about the same width, right? So I'm gonna go put my dot about right there. Got it? And now,
Mine is a big
same
donut.
thing. We just take it on up. Let's go. Ooh, we're going up to the other line. Boom.
Oh, mine is a big donut.
It's all right. Same thing on the other side. Take it on down. Whoop. Ta-da! All right, Breddies. Actually, I wanted to show you this real quick. Because a lot of us, you know, when we're trying to get better, a quick way to fix any error you want is just to do a quick add a piece of paper and then you can trace what you like. So I like my top, but I think my bottom's a little weird, right? So I'll just see, I'll go wider here because I think I messed up. And then I'll go wider here because I like it a little wider. So Breddies, that's a little tip at home when you're drawing and you wanna make a quick fix without kind of like having to completely start over. And then look, isn't that cool? We just go and we trace it real quick. And now we fixed what we didn't like and our circle looks a little better. And I did it so quick, right guys? So that's a little tip I wanted to give you. I remember when me and Weston did our Keroppi, my circle wasn't that good, so I had to like redo it after. So check it out. Now I like my donut curve a little better. All right, let's keep going. So now, what do we need? Our eyes, our favorite part. All right, Jane, let's do our eyes. I like doing my eyes low, so I'm gonna do them low. Ready? One
makes it cute.
circle there.
I actually want to fill up that.
Okay, yeah, you go to the top. And one circle there. Looking really good, Jane.
Where do I put my smile?
Up to you. I would put it, you could put it here, you could put it up there. I'm not gonna do a smile. I'm just gonna do the O-ring as kind of like the mouth. I like that.
I'm gonna do.
I would probably do yours right there. Because your eyes are up there.
I like my big.
All right, Breddies. You know what I like to do?
No.
I go my little circle and my big circle.
I like it staring at you.
My little circle and my big circle. And then I just fill it in. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, it's looking
Wait for
good.
me.
She's filling in those. Oh, of course she did her little eyelashes, which she likes to do.
Cause girls, I just like girls. Cause I'm a girl.
Yeah, girl. Okay, let's do our unicorn horn. So just how we did 2 squiggly lines here, I want to do them on my horn. I'm gonna go this way from low, up, low, up.
I got color in my.
That looks really good.
Why am I taking forever?
You know what? I never do eyelashes, so I'm gonna do 2 eyelashes. I'm gonna do these cute little.
I actually want to add 3. Oh, those look really cute.
Cute. All right, cool. All right. What
Okay.
do we need, Jane? Let's do our inside of our
I
ears.
can't.
Oh, you're still doing your eyes?
Yeah.
Good job. Yours looking really good.
My eyes. Boop, boop, boop.
Are you ready? Perfect.
That's
Okay,
it.
let's do some ears. So we're gonna do a U shape right on the inside of our other U
Can you
shape.
do like a fluffy thing?
You can, yeah.
Yeah.
Do a fluffy ear shape. So I'm just gonna go like that.
That was super fluffy.
No, that's cool. And then let's just connect it. Let's just connect the bottom.
This is.
Connect.
Oh, that looks so cute.
Really cute. It's coming along so awesome. We can't wait to see yours, Breadies. All right, so now
How do we see it?
I want to do the donut frosting. For me, I love sprinkled donuts, and the more the better. So let's do a wavy line just all the way along. And take your time on this, Breadies, because it could get a little crazy. I'm just gonna do a slow wavy line all the way around,
I love waving.
right next to this line,
Oh, where do I
okay?
start? I don't know where to start.
I'm gonna start right here. Ready? So I'm just gonna do slow waves all the
A
way.
little fast.
It's gonna look so good. Slow waves, just like what a real donut looks like.
But you don't see it going slow.
That's true. So what is this? This is the frosting of the donut, right? So it doesn't have to be perfect.
I'm even adding the frosting
Yeah.
in the middle. I did.
Connect, a little connect. And then I wanna do the same thing.
I did already.
Oh, she already did it. She beat me to it. Ready? I'm gonna catch up. So nice, slow
It looks like lips.
waves. Kind of does, huh?
It looks
Looking so good, Breadies. It looks like a real donut.
Oh, that looks like lips.
Cool.
This looks crazy.
And what do we need? Sprinkles. All right, so sprinkles, Breadies.
Heart shape.
Okay. For me, Breadies, I just do these long, bless you, just like that. And then let's do one up and down.
This is a fat.
Let's do one sideways. Let's do one vertical, horizontal, diagonal.
What if they don't know what those words mean?
Okay, so vertical is up and down, horizontal, side to side,
I don't even know what that is.
diagonal, and just have fun. Just put them wherever you want, Breadies.
Do you like my heart shape?
Oh, I love them. You guys can do anything you want on yours at home. Just have fun.
Sprinkles. You can even do them everywhere. Like your donut is only sprinkles, like no frosting.
That looks so good, Breadies.
Our
Let's.
donuts.
Should we put a unicorn tail to match?
Ooh.
I think that'd be cool. All right, so Breadies, we're gonna do just like that, but we're gonna come off the edge here. So let's go
How would?
down and up, and then we'll just do that same thing like
I'm
that.
gonna do mine fluffy.
Real fluffy one. And then same thing. Just go
Look how fluffy it is.
2 squiggly lines.
Mine is really fluffy.
All right, Breadies, I think that's it. We'll fast forward while we're coloring, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Good job, Jane. Looks so good.
Put in the color.
Yep, time to color. Show 'em. We're all done, Breadies. We hope you had so much fun with us drawing our donut unicorns. Did you have fun, Jane?
Yes,
How does yours look?
did.
It's better than good. It looks awesome. We hope yours looks awesome out at home too. We will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for joining us. Say bye, Jane.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Donuts inside. Bye.
That's right, Breadies. Thank you for watching. We're so glad you joined us today on our Donut Unicorn. Remember, if you want to watch more videos, just search our name, Bread for Kids. See you later. Oh yeah, and like and subscribe, please. Bye.